Hey guys, I'm here at the Nourishing plate and I'm actually doing a taste test here, and I'm gonna keep going with what I'm doing. And I had to share with you because they taste so good. So Christina and I were actually taste testing them, and we both looked at each other and we're like, we've got to share this concept. So these are actually called keto balls or protein bites, whatever you want to call them. They're great to make ahead of time. Store them in your freezer because, as you can see, they're already starting to melt because I've kept them out for way too long. But what they're great for is on the go, as long as you keep them chilled, or just to, like I said, keep in your freezer, keep in your fridge, and pop them out. And you can let them thaw a little bit. What I love about this recipe is that you can use any nuts of choice. You just need a cup and a half, so we used walnuts and almonds. You also need a nut or seed butter, so we used a little bit of almond butter in there as well. And then there's some cacao nibs, protein powder, so we're getting our healthy fats, our protein in there. So they're really satisfying. It always surprises me when I have one of these how satisfying it actually is. I get so full from them because they have all of the great nutrition. So just had to pop on, share this with you, and if you make the recipe, it's from the roasted root, her protein keto balls. If you go ahead and make them, please tag us at KanodiaMD so we can see what, and you can share it with us. Have a great day.